What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best trout spinning rod that are available in the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the product's link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. St. Croix Spinning Rod. St. Croix is one of the leading manufacturers of fishing rods. They possess nearly 7 decades of experience. You can rely on the quality of a St. Croix spinning rod for trout. The rod is manufactured from a substance known as graphite. This is of the highest quality, strength, and durability. The real seed is of superior quality. The price of these rods reflects their precision, rapid action, and smooth casting. They may be more expensive than other rods, but the quality justifies the price. With aluminum oxide-lined guides and a cork grip, each component is constructed for durability. This spinning rod is durable and should endure for years. Advantages: 5-year warranty. Available in a range of sizes and strengths. Excellent build. Cons: the suggestions may not be as adaptable as you'd hope. Number 2. Ugly Stik Elite. The Ugly Stik Elite is composed of graphite and fiberglass. This indicates a combination of strong strength and low weight. This 7-foot-long rod is an ideal length, and it can accommodate 6 to 10-pound line. If you're trying to catch some active trout, this is the spot. It can handle both brown and rainbow Pokemon. This rod was rated by Ugly Stik for 6 to 10-pound line. Many anglers have reported using significantly heavier line without causing damage to the rod. Be mindful that if you go heavier, it is conceivable that harm will occur. The cork handle makes this spinning rod not only lightweight but also comfortable to grasp. However light this rod may be, it is not as light as a graphite-only rod. This by no means makes it heavy, but it may be heavier than you desire for trout fishing. Remember that you must cast this repeatedly for as long as you remain in the field. Advantages: comfortable grip. Robust construction. Includes a 7-year warranty. Cons: heavier than a graphite-only rod. Cheap stainless steel guides. Number 3. Garcia Venerate. This rod's sensitivity is one of the Garcia Venerate's major selling factors. The tip is sufficiently sensitive to detect even the most faint bites. It is also available in sizes ranging from 6 feet high 6 inch to 7 feet high. This is a trout rod length designed to offer an excellent cast. This rod is durable and adaptable. Even if the product is damaged, Garcia is known for its superior customer service. Send in an image of the damage, and they will likely send you a replacement part if necessary. Designed for 6 to 10-pound test, it is ideal for catching trout of average size. Numerous fishermen have fished the lake and returned with a lot of 10-pound fish for dinner. Pros: ultra-sensitive, good value, versatile. Pros: ultra-sensitive, good value, versatile. Number 4. Piscifun Sword Graphite Fly Rod. At least once in your lifetime, you must try a fly rod for trout fishing. The Piscifun Sword Graphite Fly Rod is an industry-leading product. These are available in lengths up to nearly 10 feet. The movement is light and effortless. The precision is precise. Strong is the machined aluminum reel seat. The IM7 graphite blank is resilient and resistant to wear. It also disassembles into 4 pieces for transportability. Also included is a tube for storage purposes. This is a cheap place to start if you're new to fly fishing. You should not attempt to catch any large fish with one of these, however. It's inexpensive enough that if it gets destroyed, it won't bankrupt you. However, you should be on the watch for stress in this situation. This rod is in no way designed for catching trophies. If you hook something unexpected, the tip of your rod may break. Fortunately, Piscifun is typically adept at replacing components. Pros: extraordinary length, effortless quick or slow action. Excellent for both freshwater and saltwater fly fishing. Cons: there's a learning curve associated with the use of this rod. A number of anglers reported many breaks. Number 5. KastKing Calamus. The KastKing Calamus is the ideal ultralight rod if you're seeking one. This is not a fishing rod for catching trophies. However, if you're seeking for smaller fish, this product is ideal. It performs optimally with 2 to 6 pound test. It is only 5 feet in length. This boat is not suitable for lake travel, but that's okay. This is a wonderful option for smaller rivers and streams. This was designed by KastKing using titanium guides. It also features a graphite structure with a tiny diameter. This is how they were able to maintain strength while maintaining a low body mass. The handle is made of EVA foam. There are several sizes available, but the 5-foot model weighs only 3 ounces. This may be the lightest rod available. Despite their diminutive size, 5-pound trout are not difficult to catch. Pros: extremely lightweight, reasonable pricing, exceptionally sturdy construction. Cons: unacceptable warranty, short duration. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.